So got everything on, rotors, new pads, and got to the very last lug nut. These are right around 125. The last one I tried to get to about 130, and that's what ended up happening. And I've used a torque wrench many times. This should not have happened. So I had to go to the auto parts store. You're looking at about $5 for a stud and about $12 for a new lug nut. Okay, so let's see how easily these studs come out or not. I'm just going to use a 16-ounce hammer. Keep it focused on the bolt, not trying to screw up the wheel bearing. Wow, that was pretty damn easy. Well, we'll see how easy the next one goes back in. Let's see if there's going to be even enough room behind this caliper. Oh, shit. Just barely. Oh. Damn it. Well, let's see, you can turn this a little bit. Let's see if there's another. No, that seems to be the lowest spot. Fuck. Here's what happens when you try to put 130 foot-pounds of torque onto a lug nut on the 2019 Durango RT. Snapped it right off at about 120 foot-pounds. It was getting pretty damn tight already, more than I would have normally done any lug nuts. I'm gonna say, I don't know, mechanic versus engineer here. This just doesn't make any sense. This is the bolt with the chiseled down head. Perfect. Alright, this is metal on metal, so let's use some lithium grease. Also help it suck in here a little bit. Or some washers or whatever you have. Let's do this. You can pretty much hold it with your hand while you pull it through. rust. Don't want to break that one too. Okay, I think that's good enough.